Can I ask some question?
Yeah.
Can you explain what is this here?
So here you have the dressings of cardinals from the Borghese and Corsini family,
Okay.
belonging to the 17th century. It's everything in silk and gold, and they were originally placed in the sacristy at the bottom of this palace. So
Okay.
they were utilized for the different celebrations.
This
on
is the
days of
original.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
everything original here.
Okay.
You also have some
Oh,
tools and bricks, as you can see, utilized for the opening and closing of the Jubileum.
Is this pure gold?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
like golden rope. It's everything.
Wow. This is so nice.
As you can see here, you have the tools where the
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. So for today's vlog, pupunta tayo dito sa Maria Church. So papakita ko ang kanyang surrounding. So ayan po, dito kami sa labas ngayon. But we're going in the Maria Church here in Roma. So ayan, so tingnan natin kung gaano din kaganda ang kanilang simbahan dito. Pero lahat ng simbahan dito sa Roma guys, super ganda. And super ganda din ang St. Peter Basilica. So hi guys, we are here at St. Mary's Church. So we're going up to the museum, St. Mary's Church Museum. So aakyat kami. So we're going upstairs to the top of St. Mary's Church. So ito yung taas ng St. Mary's Church. So, nandito kami sa second floor. Ayan sa taas. Nasa taas na kami. So, dyan kami galing sa baba kanina. So, dito kami papasok. Dito yung entrance. Hall of the Pope's Museum, Panoramic Terrace 360. So, ayan. Tara, let's go. You can ask question, mother. Can I ask some question?
Yeah.
Can you explain what is this here?
So here you have the dressings of cardinals from the Borghese and Corsini family,
Okay.
belonging to the 17th century. It's everything in silk and gold, and they were originally placed in the sacristy at the bottom of this palace. So
Okay.
they were utilized for the different celebrations.
This
on
is the
days of
original.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
everything original here.
Okay.
You also have some
Oh,
tools and bricks, as you can see, utilized for the opening and closing of the Jubileum.
Is this pure gold?
Yeah, it's
Wow.
like golden rope. It's everything.
Wow. This is so nice.
As you can see here, you have the tools were utilized by the Pope to
Oh, this one.
officialize the opening and closing of the Holy Door. So like the trowel for the symbolically building the wall and then closing the Jubilee and the hammer to open it. Okay.
This is really gold.
Very nice.
And you also have the Book of Benediction of the Jubileum of Diop, so belonging to the last year, by Pope Francis. This is the most modern part.
Yeah,
of the
modern part of this
Yeah.
collection, yeah. Mhm. Oh, thank you so much.
Very interesting.
Yeah, this is the private stairs down. Oh, look at that. And it's going upstairs, right?
Yeah.
But it's private area, okay. Oh, this is the museum here in the church, St. Mary's Church. Very interesting, right?
Gold yun po, kaayo ang mga sa lutere. Pwede sa winner.
Guys, look at this.
Mga kalis na.
You know, this is
Kalis na sa.
a pure gold. This is the one of the collection. Oh no. Look at that cruise.
San Luca. Di.
My God. This is amazing.
No.
This is the part of the collection of Maria Church. This is Maria.
Ay, naman yung English no?
Look at the details, guys.
Shrine of the Saints.
So we are here now at the top. Not really the top, but yes, this is the entrance going to the top. Akit kami ng 42 steps, guys. And very narrow. Very narrow and
Very narrow.
so
Tabangan po itong mamamiri ani oy.
makyat na kami, guys. It's 42 steps pala yung aakyatin namin going to the top.
We're on the top now. Simple.
Oh yeah,
Basta. Wala ka nang tawang 42 steps oy.
So dyan kami dumaan and ganyan kasikip pababa. So guys, we are here at the top, rooftop of St. Mary's Church here in Roma. So yan yung doon, no? So meron kaming guide pero nasa likod lang siya. Tiningnan lang kami. Pero hindi niya masyadong in-explain. Parang nag-guide lang siya kung saan kami dadaan. But hindi niya in-explain kung anong meron dito. So self-ano lang kami, no? Kailangan naming magano sa sarili. So ayan yung parang bridge niya. Tumawid kami galing doon.
very informative talaga yung ano mo.
And now, papunta na kami dito.
Siya tanti ka ikaw lang isa dun sa
So ang bayad pala dito ay 11 euro if you want to see the museum and here in the rooftop. Rooftop, ayan. So 11 euro yung bayad namin. So, inikot pala namin ang buong rooftop ng St. Mary's Church.
Okay.
So, ayan.
Okay.
Nandito kami sa pinakatuktok. So, now we're going inside the church. And ito po yung church sa loob. Allowed po dito mag-video, so okay lang. Anyway, lahat naman ng church, lahat naman mag-vlog, pwede lang, okay lang. Lahat pwede mag-video, mag-picture. So ito yung loob ng St. Mary's Church.
Se invita a los visitantes a mantener un ambiente de silencio para favorecer la oración. Gracias.
Malaki din pala ang church nila dito.
Visitors are kindly invited to maintain a climate of silence and promote prayer. Thank you. Se invita a los visitantes a mantener un ambiente de silencio para favorecer la oración. Gracias.
So guys, magdasal muna ako guys ha. Dito lang muna kayo. And yeah, kailangan ko munang magdasal dito sa loob ng Maria's Church. But ipakita ko muna sa inyo. So hi guys, we're done here at Maria Church in Roma. So we're going out now. So that's all for today's vlog guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Bye! Till next time!